I'm here at the testing site. She's back over there. A little early for my appointment, but I'm gonna see if they can get me in. If not, I'll just run over to my house and wait for a little bit. It's just right down the road. So, yeah, see how this whole thing goes. Hopefully well. We'll see. I'm already back over in the Peterbilt. Headed to go get the Hydra tail. I gotta stop saying that. It's called a dovetail. Boss keeps calling it a Hydra tail, and I got it in my head. It's a dovetail. Passed the test, and I don't know how the hell I passed the test, because everything that I studied was not on this test at all. Would have been better off doing nothing than just waiting and taking the test. But I passed, so they gave me this little sheet of paper and said to sign up on here, and then I got to take the driving portion of it. So I got to trailer a motorcycle over there to take the test, because there is no permit. You have the endorsement or you don't. So and they're like, do not drive, and I'm like, yeah. I already have been for a while. Oops. But test over with. Now I just got to take the driving part. So headed around the bypass right now, and I'll go hook onto this trailer and then go move the hay equipment. I just delivered both the tractors out there in that field. I gotta get moving because I'm holding up traffic. We had to offload it in the road here. Let me get moving a little bit. There we go. I had to offload it in the road. And I don't know where I'm gonna take this truck back to just yet. I don't know if he wants me to take the trailer back to the office and then the truck back to place we had the RGN at, or I should just take the whole combination out there, or what. So I'll have to ask him. But that was pretty painless, quick and easy. Got both of them moved in about 2 hours total, so not too bad. But now we're way out in the middle of nowhere. We're just gonna head back to town and see what he's got for me next. We are out on the scooters. Just went out over the truck stop and then took the usual nightly videos, and then went up and down the quick twisty road, which is a far mountain far away over there. Extremely difficult to see in a GoPro. It's the wide angle lens, but we went for a pretty quick ride. It looks like Maverick. Yep. So I got to get up super early in the morning and go to stupid Fort Smith, but I got a little bit further with trying to get the trucking company up and going, so at least there's that, some hope at the end of the tunnel here. I got to have a conversation with the boss about either doing this trucking company or just getting me off the payroll altogether, and I'll just go to work for a trucking company, kind of see what he says. I haven't asked him yet about it, but we'll see. So gonna head home, and I already ate and all that, so just see how much fun I'm gonna end up having tomorrow. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.